Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade the springs on your Ender 3 V2 in just a few minutes. Firstly, you'll need to remove your print bed clips. You're most likely using the original ones like this one that came with the printer. However, I'm using a slightly different method of holding my bed and I'm going to start removing them clips right now. Next, remove the print bed from the printer. Now unscrew and remove your bed leveling knobs. This is best done in pairs, and we're going to start with the front, and then we're going to unscrew the two bed leveling knobs on the back. Next, we can start to remove the whole print bed assembly from the printer. Do this carefully as it is still attached to the printer by some wires. Now we can begin to remove the old springs. The spring in the rear left hand corner of the print bed is a little bit different, and you're going to have to remove the strain relief so that you can get at that. Once the strain relief is removed, the spring will just pull right off. Now, still working in that same corner, the next thing you're going to want to do is simply replace the old spring with the new one. Now reattach your strain relief. Next, simply place a spring over each one of the remaining holes in the other three corners. Now it's time to remount the heating plate. To do this, line up the bolts in the heating plate with the holes in the springs and sit the bolts inside of the springs. When this is done correctly, the bolts will go down far enough so that the head of the bolt is flush with the surface of the heating plate. It's now time to remount your bed leveling knobs. To do this, rotate them anti-clockwise in the direction on the knob that says down. At this stage, you only have to tighten the knobs enough just to make contact with the underside of the build surface. And once again, it's best to tighten the knobs on in pairs. Place your print bed back on, taking care to make sure it isn't overhanging any of the corners and is sitting central. The last step is simply to remount your bed clips to secure your bed in place. Now you have successfully upgraded your printer springs. Just remember, you will need to level or tram your bed to get back to printing normally. But that wraps up this video. It would really help me out if you could like and subscribe, and also leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye for now guys.